You have the Hot Pepper Tepin, looks like this, cool little small phone, pepper on the back, and you need help taking the back off to either change the SIM chip or change your SD card. Let's get into it. First, let's identify where the little notch is. So on the front of the phone, it's going to be at the bottom right, back of the phone, bottom left. Let's get a look at that little tiny notch. All right, and let me give you the tool that will help you open it in case, it hurts your fingers because your fingernails are too short, or you have nice fingernails, or they're too long, or your back cover is just too tight. Here we go. Any plastic membership card. And we're going to take this membership card and we're going to wedge it right into that notch and pop that open. Some easier than others. If yours is old and you always take the back off, it might pop right off. And there we go. There's the back of the phone. And let's learn about what we've got here. Okay, right here is the slot for the SIM chip. Right here is the SD card. And while we're here, we can check the battery health, take the battery out. And almost all batteries... All right, here it is on this phone. On this phone, oh, you don't even have to take the battery out. On this phone, if this is white or pink, you've got some water damage or possible liquid damage. So keep in mind, you can check that without taking the battery out. All right, let's move. All right, if you're changing your SIM chip, as easy as pushing it out and then grabbing it with the moisture of your finger tip. But again, if you can't do it with your fingernail, grab your membership card and slide it out like this. Slide that right out, and then the membership card can help bring that out. Take that all the way out. And then whatever new service you are changing to, get that SIM chip and make sure that the notch matches the picture's notch. And then if you see metal, you're wrong. So it goes this way. Slide that in just like that. And again, use your membership card to help you get it all the way in. And then on the SD card side, that's the orientation. Looks exactly like the picture. If you see metal, you're wrong. And then this one, you can slide right in. Oh, just like this. Pops right in, and then you do have to remove the battery to remove the SIM card, and this is nicer because it has a little bit of a lip. Almost everyone should be able to just get their fingerprint, moisture from their fingerprint to take that all the way off. And then when you're done doing whatever changes you need to do, make sure the battery's back in, line up the window to the camera, like this, and go around twice. Make sure it's all the way closed, and that is how you remove the back cover off of the Hot Pepper Tepin to change your SIM chip or your SD card. Hey, if this helped you, please like, please subscribe. Also, if you are done with your contract, your original contract on your phone, and you're looking for another wireless carrier that's affordable, watch this video next.